Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today is just a quick J-Car diecast unboxing, just some singles in here. So we're gonna crack it open, take a look. Goodies we have wrapped up. Make sure there's nothing in this paper. What do we got? Ooh, check it out. The SIlvia. I got a couple more of these. This thing is cool. I like that purplish maroon color. Fast and Furious, looking good. And then stocked up on a few of these guys. This is from the Matchbox collector series that has the slant nose Porsche and the 356 Porsche. I believe it is the P case for 26. So I sold out of the two that I got in my case right away, and so we just needed to restock on that specific one. Didn't have to buy the whole case, so that was nice. So what is going to be in this one? Just a bunch more singles is what it should be. Yep. Some premiums all mixed in here. But this one, guys, from the Fast and Furious set. Look at that. 70 Chevelle SS in a beautiful, beautiful color. We gotta open this one up. That casting, guys, is on point with those wheels. I like it a lot. I would drive one of these in real life, guys. I would. I'm not a Chevy guy, but I would. Super, super cool casting. So we got a couple of those. Decided to grab this S14 in this silver color from the Slide Street 2 car culture set. I think this one's a couple years old. Crack that guy open. Yeah, it's got the metal wing. Always got to check that. Toy ink on the plate on that one. Yeah, that's a cool one. I like the wheels too. Very nice. Another one of those. I grabbed another couple of these Nissans. Sold a couple here recently. I like the red, white, and blue livery on this one from the 80s. It's a cool truck. Grabbed a couple. This was just a onesie. Grabbed this because it was on clearance. It was like $5, and I usually have been paying like $8 for them. So just grabbed another one of those. And it looks like I bought four. Four of the Fast and Furious SIlvia. So yeah, just a quick little singles unboxing here. A couple of newbies that we'll be making into keychains. And yeah, thanks for tuning in again, guys. If you haven't already, please like and subscribe. Stay tuned for the next hunt video and unboxing.